Well, hi everyone. We are in East Earl, Lancaster County on Route 625, and we're going to be turning right to head to Zimmerman's greenhouse, which is actually in Narvon, and it's located on Oakland Drive. And this greenhouse is open now and they close mid-June for the season. They have great deals here, and this is one of my favorite stops every year I come here. And last year I got here a little bit later, so I wanted to make sure that we stopped here early in the season in case you wanted to stop and visit. So again, they're open, spring, and then they close around mid-June. And isn't this beautiful scenery? This is Oakland Drive, and this is the way you'll go to get to the greenhouse. And right now, their hours, they're opened 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday, and they are closed on Sundays. So right when you see this Amish schoolhouse on the right, their farm and greenhouse is right beyond the Amish schoolhouse on the right side. It's easy to drive right by the farm. So here we are at Zimmerman's greenhouse. And it's early April, and it's still too early to plant a lot of things, but I am looking to get some pansies. And I also just wanted to take a look, and we can look and see what they have in here. And I know they're going to have gorgeous things. And here's their sign, Zimmerman's greenhouse, flowers and vegetable plants. And then this is what the greenhouses look like when you pull up. And right out front, they have tons of pansies, all different colors. They're $3.29 a pack or $18.99 a flat, so those are pretty good prices. A little bit cheaper than I've seen a couple other spots. And then look how cute this is inside here. It's so welcoming. I love this place. And it already looks so beautiful, and it's early in the season, but I like to come to the greenhouses and just kind of get an idea of what you want to do. And they have ferns right here hanging up above us, and they also have a lot of gifts. And everything is marked really clearly. This is the herb section. I definitely need to get some herbs, but today I'm actually going to grab one of these mint plants. And then look at all these cute little garden little figures. They have a lot of garden-y gifts here, really cute things. And reasonable priced. Look at this cute squirrel container. That's cute, $32.99. And it's a big size planter. That's really cute. And they have lots of them. Here's little hedgehogs. Here's the section of cut flowers that you can plant. And then lots of good stuff here. All kinds of herbs. These herbs look great. Parsley and tons of basil and chives look really good. And this is lemongrass. And I like that they have everything on the labels. They have cool information. Listansis, $4.99. So yeah, I like their labels. I really like, they're like, this is good for shade, this is good for sun, it likes hot weather, cooler areas, stuff like that. They have really good info, not just the name of the plant. And here's succulents. They say they are heat and drought tolerant. A lot of succulents here. Really pretty. For example, they have a lot of these things around, never let sit in water, cactus and succulents, we love sun, just cool stuff like that. Easy care, plant in well-drained soil, but they have these labels all over their greenhouse. So, I always learn stuff here too, because, I don't remember everything you read, but I always learn a thing or two when I come in here and read their information tags. So it's fun. These are all pretty geraniums, lots of colors. This whole section is kind of like vines and ivy, lots of things that would look good in a hanging basket. So they have tons of different types to choose from here. And then right above, they have the pretty hanging baskets with those vines. So you can see how they look. And here's begonias, dragon wing begonias, $3.59 each. They're a nice big plant too. I always get begonias. They're so hardy. And they bloom, from spring till fall, which is nice. Marigolds, these are all marigolds getting ready to bloom. Tons and tons of marigolds. Here's some sun patience, $3.59 each, and that's a nice size pot. And they have lots and lots of colors to choose from. Here's the citronella scented geranium. These actually smell just like citronella. I've gotten these a couple times, and they're supposed to repel mosquitoes, so they're pretty cool. Graceful grasses. They have tons and tons of grasses to choose from shade grasses and sun grasses. Lots of different colors of grasses. They also have a really nice selection of houseplants. So here's some spider plants and some hanging baskets, bridal veil, lots and lots of different types of houseplants. Here's their sign, spider plants, and then they say it's good for air cleaning. I actually have a spider plant that my daughter gave me when she was in kindergarten. She's 30, so the plant is like 25 years old, so that's pretty cool. In the back of the greenhouse here, they have all kinds of pretty plants and containers. There's the cone containers that they use for their hanging baskets out front. Stands are included with cone baskets. So they're pretty. Lots of hangers and all kinds of colors and different sizes. And these are cute. These are some pottery containers, all little creatures. They're really cute. Some frogs. I've seen these cats before at, I think Black Creek had them too. And look at these nice sized tomato plants already. Wow, that's great. And then here's some peppers. I'll be planting some peppers. I cannot wait to plant some veggies. So they have lots and lots of pepper plants ready to go. These are all so pretty. These are all different types of begonias here. Lots and lots of different ones. I like these orange ones. These are really pretty. Hanging baskets. I might have to try those orange ones this year. I never saw them before. These are all heat-loving plants. I really love these signs. They're really helpful. And here's the Quiet Places flower that's on our logo, Lantana. And they come in all different colors and combinations of colors. I always get them for my deck. They remind me of the channel. And look how pretty these hanging baskets are. Just rows and rows of colorful, beautiful flowers. I love all these kind of plants with the different color leaves. I think they look so cool together. I love that deep, rich red maroon. Elephant ears. I love elephant ears. These are awesome. And then here's a nice thing. It has all about elephant ears and how to take care of them and how to plant them and how to take care of them over the winter. I love their leaves. They literally look like elephant ears. And that plant is $11.99, so they have good prices here. Here's caladiums, that like shade or caladiums. I normally end up getting that pink and green variety. Here's Rex begonias, so lots and lots of really pretty and different types of flowers and plants. These are non-stop begonias. Might have to try them too. I'm so excited to plant. I'm sure you guys are too. This time of year, it's like, oh, you're like right on the verge of wanting to plant everything, but it's just a little too early here in Pennsylvania. And then here's all these cute little fairy garden, I call them, they look like fairy garden things, and also little garden accessories. They have the cutest little things here for fairy gardens. And just like little garden decor to put in your garden or your pots. I love all these birds. These are really cute. And then here's the fairy garden accessories, and they have tons of cute ones here. And then here's some Easter flowers, some tulips, daffodils. Ironically, this is me. Spring fever. Can't wait to plant. And then it says what you can plant right now. So there's not very much you can plant. That's why I wanted to get some pansies. And look how cute these little bunny rabbits are. They're adorable. I love little bunny figures and statues. The Easter flowers look so pretty. And then here's some primrose. Lots of different colors to choose from. They're $3.59 each. And here's more pansies in the greenhouse. So they have some outside on their porch, and they also have a lot inside as well. This area here, I did not get to this greenhouse last year, but this was put in last year, this area. So we'll take a look at that. Here's giant stalks of pussy willows to put in like a container. They always look so cool. And then this is a cute little planter, a little wheelbarrow with pansies. That's adorable. Ranunculus. So pretty. I love their like the little layers of flower blooms on that flower. And here's the sign for perennials, shade perennials, and then they have tons of perennials to choose from. So everything is really, really nicely marked. And also, it's not only marked, but just like I said, the explanations it gives with the different plants is really cool too. So if you want some perennials, they have lots of great perennials for shade and sun. These are all shade here. Here's another whole section of shade perennials. So they do have a lot. These are the carnations, the perennials. And this container is $7.69. So that's a good price. That's a pretty big container there for them. And they'll return year after year, hopefully. Lots of pretty things here. Oh, these are real pretty too. Lupinas. I like the leaves on them. I think they're really neat. They kind of look tropical to me a little bit. Lots of colors. Lots of different kinds of... These are pretty. I like this bloom on it. Lots of pretty things here. Here's sections of perennials for sun, and they have tons of them. Lots of lilies, lots of everything. They have a lot of good perennials here. This bloom, that's going to be orange, pumpkin pie. I'm really drawn to the orange flowers for some reason this year. And this one is $6.99, so that's great for that perennial. So let's take a look at this new section. Here's some Gerber daisies. I always love them, and they're $4.59 a container. Look how cute this is. This is just like a whole other area. More planters and flowers. Isn't this so pretty here with all these blooming flowers everywhere? I love it. Over here they have annuals, it looks like, and here are some super petunias. And there's supposed to be a super performer. I never heard of super petunias. I like petunias. I don't normally buy them though, but maybe I might want to try them. Lots and lots of flowers down here. I'm assuming these are all annuals down here. These are Calabrachoa. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but they're really pretty. And then they have some already made up containers down here too, and really nice looking ones. That one was $38.99 in this log. So that's a nice size container there. Pretty, pretty flowers of every color. Greenhouses are so fun. They're so relaxing. Like, I like all the sounds of the watering being done. Here's some petunias. And they tolerate a little bit of frost. So this was a fun stop to Zimmerman's greenhouse. I highly recommend this place. The people are so nice here. And again, they're only open till mid-June. So if you want to stop by here, it's probably like 10 minutes from Shady Maple, right off of Route 625. So definitely remember Zimmerman's greenhouse. This is in Narvon, and they're open Monday through Saturday. Thank you guys so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you on the next one.